Sometimes we may think, why is it that I cannot see Allah with my eyes? Some people may think that Allah is not there because they cannot see Him with their eyes. We cannot see Allah because He is not a physical thing. Humans, animals and plants are physical things, and so we can see them. Allah is not physical, and so we cannot see Him with our eyes. Allah is not the only thing that we cannot see. We all love our parents. But can we see this love? How big is this love? What color is it? How does it smell? Can we draw a picture of it? Even though we can't do any of these things, we know that we love our parents and that love exists. When it comes to Allah, even though we cannot see Him, we can see His signs everywhere. All the amazing things He has created are signs that He is there and He exists. We also feel Allah in our hearts, the same way that we feel love or happiness.